Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Airpods Pro 2 battery drain fast. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps. Now in order to fix the issue, what you can do is there are a couple of solutions, and the first one is check what devices are connected with your Airpods. Now just simply go to the settings app and write under your Apple name. If you are connected with the Airpods, your Airpods will be shown right there. Now all you gotta do is tap on that Airpods, and once you're in, now what you wanna do is tap on the devices that is connected with your Airpods. Now if there are more devices, then that's likely to cause Airpods to drain battery fast. Now the second solution that you can do is just see there and toggle off extra features like noise cancellation and etc., which might be causing the battery to drain fast. And now another solution might be draining all the battery of the Airpods and then charging it to full percent, and then going ahead and then remove the Airpod from your iPhone and then once again reconnect it. And now by the time of this, your issue should be fixed. And if that doesn't fix the issue, what you can do is just go on to your settings once again right here, and then tap on your Airpods Pro options. And once you tap on it, all you gotta do is scroll down until you find about and tap on the version, and then scroll down and then tap on support version, and from there just select the latest firmware and download it, and that basically should fix the issue. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.